Not a promise made, I'm slowly living. Hushed be nothing sudden, nothing bold. Oh, to mark the day, still I feel a shift in place. Hope arrives without a name, quiet, simple, free of claim. What once felt too full. If the days still feel, so trust what I can feel. Subtle shifts are real, softly. Nothing sudden, nothing bold, just a warm light slowly hold. Quiet lift inside my chest, like something choosing rest. Not a sound, a mark that change, still it doesn't fit. Hope appears without a name, gentle, simple, free of claim. What once felt a softer kind of it. First light of a new season, soft to face the moves at a gentle pace. Every doubt I use, the day doesn't pull or ask, it waits while I relax. Carrying like the world has every step is finding home and moving on. I'm already where I'm from. Gentle breath, steady beat, here I am. Let the moment move me as it can. Smile, but the room feels lighter for a while. You don't say a single thing, still my worries start.